The Columbian Exchange, how two worlds transformed each other. History is not only shaped by armies and governments. Sometimes, plants, animals, and diseases change the world more than any empire could. For millennia, the Eastern and Western Hemispheres existed in total isolation. Two distinct biological worlds that had never met until 1492. The voyage of Christopher Columbus acted as a bridge, initiating a massive transfer of life that historians call the Columbian Exchange. This exchange wasn't just about gold or spices. It was a movement of goods, people, and ideas that would transform every continent on Earth. Consider the New World crops. Before this contact, the people of Europe and Asia had never seen a potato, a tomato, or maize. Peanuts and cacao also traveled east. These nutrient-dense foods were soon growing in foreign soils, from the mountains of Ireland to the plains of China. The result was a global green revolution. These crops supported massive population growth, providing reliable calories for millions of people across the globe. But the exchange flowed both ways. From the Old World came animals that would fundamentally change the American landscape and its cultures. The horse was perhaps the most impactful. It revolutionized transportation and warfare for indigenous peoples, especially across the Great Plains. Agriculture also shifted as cattle, pigs, and sheep were introduced. These animals altered local ecosystems and provided new sources of protein and labor. Yet, the Columbian Exchange had a darker, more devastating side. The most significant travelers were invisible, the microbes of the Old World. Diseases like smallpox and measles, to which indigenous populations had no immunity, spread with catastrophic speed through the Americas. This demographic collapse led to the loss of millions of lives, forever altering the social and political structures of indigenous societies. As the world became more connected, trade networks grew. Ships carried not just goods, but people, both free and enslaved, across every ocean. This was the birth of globalization. Economic integration meant that what happened in a silver mine in Potosi affected markets in Spain and China. The legacy of the Columbian Exchange is all around us today. It is in the diversity of the food we eat and the languages we speak. It created the modern world, a complex, interconnected web of cultures that continue to influence each other centuries later. For a P-World history, remember the pattern. Exploration led to contact, sparked a biological exchange, resulting in economic integration and global transformation. The Columbian Exchange was the single most important ecological event in human history, forever blending two worlds into one.